everyone, very happy to meet you here. I'm Bella. Today I want to introduce our LED module to everyone. First of all, our LED module is made of PC and aluminum material, and the cover is optic PC. The luminar effect will be more uniform. Then we can see there are 3 powerful magnets on the back, which helps to install the module on the arrow plate and very firm. If your base is made of plastic, we can also use screw to fix it. You can see that there are 3 holes here. This module has 5 voltages, which can be adapted to different sizes, namely 12 watt, 16 watt, diameter is 166 millimeter. 80 watt, 24 watt, 30 watt, diameter is 220 millimeter, and also have 3 color temperatures: yellow light, natural light, and daylight. The material of our LED module is composed of aluminum and PC. Aluminum has better heat dissipation, so we don't have to worry about our lamps during long hours of work. PC is sturdy and not easy to corrode, and our LED chips are Philippine, so the service life will be more longer. The luminar factor of the LED chip we can use reach 120 lumen per watt, which is very great. The applicable voltage range is 85 watt to 265 watts. We can also see our driver is rotatable, like this. Which is very convenient to install. And our LED module can be connected to Wi-Fi by mobile phone control. It has 3-stage dimming function. The first time you press the switch, there will be 100% brightness. The second time you press the switch, there will be 16% brightness. And the third time, there will be 20% brightness. And also have CCT change function, yellow light, natural light, and daylight. Microwave sensing function can be also achieved. When people come, the light will be turned on, and when people leave, the light will be turned off. If your lamp used in your house is broken, you don't need to replace the whole lamp. You just need to replace our LED module, which is very convenient. About the wiring, only need to open the base of the driver and connect the wires to our terminal. That's okay. If you are very interested in our product, you are welcome to connect us. Please see the contact information below. Thank you very much for your watching. Bye.
Let there be light.